The purpose of this presentation is to analyze a career as a clinical manager, specifically with ETMC. This presentation is presented by Amy Rice and me, Sam Ramsey.
I'm Amy Rice. I'm going to explain what a clinic manager is. They ensure the medical clinic or outpatient facility runs smoothly. They have many responsibilities, including the operations, the staff, and they ensure that the overall patient care is of good quality. I found a posting, an ETMC posting, for a clinic manager. It's a professional job. It is in the internal medicine clinic in Tyler. It's a day shift position. It listed in their job description that you must have strong knowledge in ICD-10 and CPT codes, which is very important. It has to do with insurance and Medicare and Medicaid reimbursement, and that's mandatory for good financial stability in the company to maintain those finances. You needed to have some previous clinic or healthcare management experience. It was highly preferred, and it says that you manage all aspects of the clinic, and that's true. They have to maintain every aspect of the clinic: clinical, billing, the insurance aspect, and the staff. And it says that they also are responsible for patient scheduling, medical records, and again the personnel, including the physicians.
Due to the fact that Amy interviewed a former clinical manager for ETMC in Tyler, who actually held a position she talked about in the prior slide, we chose the interview job analysis method in the textbook. The interview job analysis method is beneficial because the subject can report on activities that would not be observed often. They can also provide us with information that might not be available from any other source. This slide gives an overview of general information of a clinical manager. As referred to in the previous slide, Amy interviewed the former position holder of clinic manager at ETMC in Tyler. The former clinic manager had extensive experience but did not complete her bachelor's degree. She also managed 14 physicians as well as 35 employees. She was responsible for the overall clinic operation, including clinical, clerical, billing, and regulatory requirements. In the interview, Amy learned of the impact that a clinic manager has on their staff. The former position holder of clinic manager at ETMC stressed that the most important aspect of the job was to promote quality patient care. The bullet points below are things she did in order to promote that quality patient care. She maintained standards throughout the clinic, assisted staff needs, managed staff with a balance of fairness and strictness. Overall staff coverage for the clinic, training and competencies for staff, maintaining supplies and drugs for the clinic. In the previous slide, we talked about the impact that a clinic manager has on its staff. In this slide, we're going to talk about the impact that a clinic manager has on its patients. Clinic manager is to provide quality patient care at the clinic. They're also to resolve patient complaints or concerns by being immediately available. They're to maintain standards within the clinic that ensure appropriate and quality care is provided. And they are to maintain an overall attitude that the patient comes first. In this slide, we're going to talk about what Amy learned while interviewing the former position holder of clinic manager about the impact that a clinic manager has on its organization, specifically being ETMC. The clinic manager is to be committed to the budget. They are also to maintain regulatory requirements. They need to be willing to take on full ownership of the operation, including the building, staff, patients, and patient billing. They are to pay close attention to billing, including insurance and federal reimbursement changes, and they need to be attentive to benchmark goals set by the institution. Now on to the online research we did about clinic managers' duties and responsibilities. Clinic managers' main goal is to ensure quality clinical care and outcomes, ensure great customer service, make sure that their billing is accurate and appropriate, and handle insurance claims as well. As a clinic manager, it is very important to maintain quality staff. Staff of a clinic includes technical and nursing, physician staff, billing staff, coding staff, as well as clerical staff. Some skill sets that are required in order to be a clinical manager are: you must have leadership capabilities, you must be detail oriented, you must have organizational skills, customer service, decision making skills, diplomacy, communication, as well as analytical skills. As a clinical manager, your salary is usually based on a combination of your experience as well as your education level. Your salary will usually fall somewhere between $60,000 and $100,000. In conclusion, as we learned from the interview as well as online research, the clinic manager position aligns almost perfectly with the job posting referenced earlier in the presentation. Due to the broad area of responsibility, clinic manager position provides many challenges. However, it can be very rewarding because of the potential for positive impact on the clinic staff and the patients.